Good evening. Welcome to the Mind of STEM channel, where you get your daily dose of science, technology, engineering, and math. My name is Leon Jones, and this evening I'm going to talk about advanced product quality planning. Advanced product quality planning. It's known as APQP. So, the title of tonight's video is What is Advanced Product Quality Planning? Well, I'm going to abbreviate it for you. I'm just going to call it APQP. So, when we deal with when we deal with APQP, it's basically a structured approach to product and process design. This framework is a standardized set of quality requirements that enable suppliers to design a product that satisfies the customer. The primary goal of product quality planning is to facilitate communication and collaboration between engineering activities. A cross functional team, known as CFT, involving marketing, product design, procurement, manufacturing, and distribution, is used in the APQP process. Now, APQP ensures the voice of the customer is clearly understood, translated into requirements, technical specifications, and special characteristics. The product or process benefits are designed in through prevention. Now, APQP supports the early identification of change, both intentional and incidental. These changes can result in exciting new innovations supporting customer delight. When not managed well, they translate to failure and customer dissatisfaction. So the focus of APQP is utilization of tools and methods for mitigating the risks associated with change in the new product or process. Now, for the most part, you integrate APQP when there's NPI, new product introduction, product or process change, known as post relief. Now, how do you implement APQP? Well, basically, it's comprised of one pre planned stage and 5 concurrent phases. Once begun, the process never ends, and it is often illustrated in the Plan, Do, Study, Act cycle known as PDSA. Now, PDSA was made famous by W. Edwards Deming. Each section is aligned with analytical risk discovery tools and techniques. Now, finding risk in product and process development is more desirable than finding late failure. Now, of course, there are sections of implementing APQP. Section 0 is pre-planning. Section 1, plan and define. Section 2, product design and development. Section 3, process design and development. Section 4, product and process validation. Section 5, feedback, assessment, and corrective action. Now, of course, APQP inputs and outputs by section, and each section of APQP depends on risk information that has previously been discovered. Information sharing assures a flow of logical risk discovery and mitigation. The detailed inputs and outputs for each section are as follows. When we deal with section 1, talk about the customer, more or less business, the business plan. Number 2, we talk about the outputs, the design goals. This is in section 1. Section 2, and we're going to get into that later. We're going to talk about DFMEA and FMEA. That's when you do the design FMEA. Talk about failure. The prototype control plan. Section 3, we talk about packaging standards and specifications. And then we deal with process capability studies for the outputs. Section 4 and Section 5, we talk about reduced variation. Now, examples of where to incorporate APQP, for the most part, this is a lot of manufacturing. You develop test plans. You use it for formally or for the formal design review to track process. But overall, when we deal with APQP, understand that it is a structured approach to product and process design. Of course, this framework is basically a standardized set of requirements that enable suppliers to design a product that satisfies the customer. And that concludes this segment on APQP, which stands for Advanced Product Quality Planning. If you like what I just presented, please comment, share, and subscribe. If you want some information on news and politics, check out the 401 Talk Zone radio show on YouTube, and you can also check it out on Blog Talk Radio as well. Now, if you cannot find the STEM channel or my Blog Talk Radio show or my other channel on YouTube known as the 401 Talk Zone radio show, check me out on Twitter. Also, I'm going to be looking to move toward MeWe, Parler, and Rumble, and my STEM information, we'll see how I can post it on LinkedIn. But again, thank you for viewing this video on Advanced Product Quality Planning, known as APQP. Till next time, my name is Leon Jones. Please have a wonderful and gracious night.